Yes, hello friend.
Hello, friend. Actually, friend, we know everyone have, we
Yes.
know friendship. Oh my God. Now I am invisible.
Oh, but I
Why?
can see you. Can you? Yes, I can't see you now.
Okay. I think it's, this video should not be uploaded because there is so many problem. Okay. Now we are just converse each other. After that, we decided
Yes.
whether it upload or not, maybe not. Okay.
Yes.
So can you share your family member, what's your father's occupation?
Yes. If I talk about my family members, as I told you, there are 6 members in my family. If I talk about my father, he is a farmer. You can consider, means he works sometimes as labor. You can consider, and works in the field. And that is his work. You can consider. It is not that he does any job. That he jobs anywhere, that he earns money like that. So my father is farmer only. And if I talk about my mother is homemaker. That is the yes.
Farmer is our social friend. Do you know? Farmer is our social friend.
Yes, really, I can say. Farmer is our social friend, I can say. Yes.
So you have to proud of this because if you are if farmer is not know that we can take our food.
Yes. It's only farmer who takes out food, you can consider. Like they get ready to make food, right? Like they grow something, like they know all techniques, tips to grow. How should I grow? At what time should I grow? Then it will be grown, right? So they know lots of techniques about this. So that's why we should worship to the farmer, you can consider, and we should get happy on them, right? As many farmers are in the world, right?
You are right.
Yes.
So at present, what are you? What are you planting? Ready?
In present
some
time,
vegetables?
in my area, I think we are not growing anything, present time you can consider. But recently we harvested some grains before 1 month, in month of March. That time we had harvested one grain, I think chana, gram and wheat.
Chana.
And recently people have harvested wheat nowadays, and they have gathered that at their home. So some people are winnowing, that you can consider. Recently you can consider they have harvested, but now which is field, this area is for free, you can consider. Now you can see around me lots of animals like cows, buffalo are around me, and they have, like, what will I say, they have bound them, you can consider, means like, I think they are walking here and there for freedom. They are freedom, you can consider. Like they can go anywhere. In my area you can see there are lots of animals like cows, buffalo, so they can go anywhere. I think there's no restriction to stop them to go anywhere. They can go, they will eat what they like, they will eat. And nowadays it is season of mango also, very well, so we get happy because of season of mango also. And because I come from a village area, and about village area, that every mostly thing which is fruit, mostly fruits are for free, like you can take and you can eat without spending money.
Wow, that's nice. And always you can see, you always assist your father with harvesting or any planting.
Yes, I help my father also, you can consider, because I like to help my father whenever, like he will grow anything. So that time I think, I should also know the way to grow. Otherwise in my time, when I will get married, when my father will grow up, that time I will have to do by myself. That time I will not be able to know the techniques, that how should I grow it. So that's why I am trying to know since now, I've been trying to know that. And whenever, the time of, growing something will come, suddenly I get ready to grow with my father. So that I'm, wherever my father will go to grain, suppose for growing any grains in the field area, there I will also go with him. And there I will grow, suppose he has to grow paddy. So for growing paddy, I will also go there. And then along with my father, I will grow paddy. Right. And because village area people, first of all, they bind buffalo with the rope. I think this thing, right? In village area, like some people use cows to plug the field, you can consider, right? Plow the field, I think I know, and I think you know very well because you come from West Bengal. I think you know very well, right?
Right. And do you think you are lucky?
Yes. Yes, I think, but I don't know why I'm lucky. How do you think about me? Tell me.
Actually, you live in village area. That's why you take fresh oxygen.
Really, you can consider. Yes, because village areas open, open area you can consider. Means you will not have to, like in city area. If I talk about the city area, there you can't go outside also, right? Easily, right?
Yes, yes.
In village area, anywhere,
And,
yes, you can go.
You are more closer. You are more closer to nature.
Yes,
Right.
yes, really, you can consider, and you can see behind me. There is field of heat, gehu. You can consider. Yes, recently that
Now
is being
it's time.
harvested. Yes,
Now it's time to wait.
yes, for harvesting heat.
Harvest.
Yes, this time.
Okay.
So tell me about your area. What do you like to grow in your field? Like when the time of growing something will get closer, then what do you grow? Besides, I think you grow heat also, right?
Yes, here is too much heat in West Bengal.
Oh, heat. And do you grow paddy also?
No, actually, we live in city. That's
Oh.
why we just one or two room just manage. We have
Oh.
to manage. You just like you. There are so many paddy field, like huge place. We have nothing.
Yes, yes. Because I know about city, mostly people in city, in the city you can consider, people don't grow paddy. I think something they grow, I think some parts of the city, all the same people grow like paddy, I heard about South India. So in part of South India, people grow paddy also there. And lots of people from Jharkhand went there to work, as labor, like they are a worker, you can consider. So they keep telling about that here we are, and we are able to see lots of people are growing something, and they are taking care of their field, and mostly time they spend in the field, like they are taking care of their field, that those like less people will still there paddy, like that they think. So that's why all the time they are near to their paddy, and they have built what will I say, hut you can consider, and for staying there to take care of their which is field, and so that they will they will not let their which is paddy to be stolen. So that they want, that's why all the time they stay there. So that's the reason. I think also in some parts of I think North India you can consider, in UP also. I think I heard that mostly people are farmer, in UP, right? UP. I don't think about Delhi, Mumbai. I think, but some people also can be, farmer in Delhi, Mumbai also. Yes.
Jadu, I want to say something, and I want to know about you. Which is the most famous place in your Jharkhand state?
Oh, you are talking about famous place in Jharkhand, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Any side or any mountains? Mountains. Any? Oh my God, I forgot. Actually, I want to say some historical place or any remarkable famous place.
Yes.
Can you share?
Yes, why not?
In your-
So in my area, one place is very famous. That is called Sindhi Dolan. Singhi Dolan you can consider. Singhi Dolan. Singhi, I think, I don't know what is the meaning of Singhi. Dolan means, building you can consider. Yes, Dolan in my language, and that means building. Yes. So that is historical house. Since long time that is in that area, I think if I talk about distance from my area, so can be around, 15 kilometer from my village where I live. So there is near to Ganga River, near to the Ganga River you can consider. So lots of people, mostly in February month, in every year, people go there to worship for the god you can consider. And they yes, they remove their all evil. Evil you can consider pap, you can consider, which is called pap, I think, right? I think some people have done that. So that's why they go there, every year in month of February. I had also gone there, in February
One
month
more
2025. Yes.
And another question is that how long have you been using this application?
Yes. If I talk about journey of using this application, I think in month of December 2024, I had started using this application. You can consider.
And when you start your YouTube channel?
I had started my YouTube channel in month of this October 2023. That time.
So now your viewers, how much?
I think if I talk about my viewers, so far they are around 65,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Wow.
Yes.
All are 20.
Yes, yes. And if I will complete now around 35,000 subscribers, then you can consider I will complete 1 lakh subscribers. Then silver play button from YouTube I will receive. That is my dream. You can consider for getting that, and I want to get that also, because I will get happy when I will get that, because that is good reward. Reward you can consider means like that is got by YouTube. Like if you will complete 1 lakh subscribers, that you will be provided by YouTube. Easily he will give you, like YouTube will give you, and then you can show that out on YouTube to the people, those who are watching your video, and they will get happy that you got this, and more they will support you like that.
And do you upload it every day?
Yes, I upload video every day, you can consider. And nowadays little bit due to some works, I am unable to upload daily. Sometime, one day I skip, again tomorrow I upload, like that I do, because of some works, because I have to study also, that's why. Yes.
Okay. And what's your future plan?
Oh, future plan, right? Yes, right. Yes. Actually, this question, when I had come on live yesterday, at night, that time lots of people asked me that what do you want to become, what's your future goal, what do you want to become in your life. So if I talk about my future plan, that is IAS officer for becoming, that I want to become in my life. That's why, I made my timetable to study, and I keep studying mostly. I spend my time to study only. Yes, that's why I don't play with, idle friends, you can consider. Mostly I stay alone to get time more, so that I will not have to face any problem, and I will go ahead in my life that I want. Yes.
Okay. The best.
Yes. You are, I think, you are like,
So you can
yes. Yes, I will also ask, first of all, which you asked, like famous place in West Bengal, tell me, because I don't know mostly area, places in West Bengal which is famous, but tell me which is the most famous place in West Bengal.
Have you visited West Bengal in Kolkata?
No, I haven't visited, but I'm thinking to visit there. But I visited some state, some district, Malda. Malda I visited. Yes, but I haven't
Okay.
visited Kolkata. But tell me, which is the most famous place in West Bengal in your area?
Yes, there are so many things in our West Bengal, and in Kolkata there are so many attractive places, and also historical places there, like Victoria Memorial Hall, and Howrah Bridge, Eco Park, and lot of things you can visit it. You must visit.
Yes, because I know about Howrah Bridge. Like I saw one day when I was watching one blog video that one person was blogging that time. So there are lots of people from foreigners who were there, like foreign country. They were from foreign country, and they were walking there, talking to people in English. So one person was improving his English with English speakers there. So is it right that lots of foreigners keep coming there in West Bengal in Howrah Bridge, like near to the Howrah Bridge?
Yes,
I think, right?
yes.
Yes, that's great, because I think like Howrah Bridge, one place is also India Gate, I think, right? India Gate, right? Taj Mahal.
No, India.
Yes,
No, it's New Delhi.
yes. I think that is not in West Bengal, but that is like same. I can say lots of foreigners keep coming there also in India Gate, and also in Taj Mahal area. Like lots of people keep coming there, and they take selfie with Indian. Yes.
Taj Mahal and India Gate is New Delhi.
Oh, New
Okay,
Delhi,
not
right?
West Bengal.
Oh, yes, that's
Yes.
great. So I saw, I get happy. And when I was watching their video, that time I was unable to speak English. Just I was listening their English. But now I improved my English. And that time I was thinking that, how they are able to speak so fluent English. They are connecting with, they are talking with foreigners while blogging, and I am unable to talk. Just I was watching their video and I was thinking how to learn English. And nowadays when I learn now, and ask me people who are speaking English, where, when I was unable to speak English, so that time I was thinking that, I will not be able to speak English. But now I cross them, means they can't speak like me also nowadays. Those who were seen by me that time when I was unable to speak English, but nowadays I became better than them also in English, like that. Because it is kind of practicing every day. If you will speak English, then you will get the better of anyone, right? If you will speak every day, if you will stop in between, you can't become anything. So that's why we have to, whatever work we are doing in our life, that we have to do every day. Consistency you can consider, every day we have to do, then we will get success easily, and we can cross any person easily. Then we will think that, he was like, when he was speaking English that time, I was unable to speak, but now I can speak like that, you will think, because that time like he is not speaking every day, right?
Jadu?
Yes.
Oh, Jadu is your good name, school name?
Yes. Jadu is my good name, school name, real name, you can consider. If I talk about my village name, like in village, what name like they call me, so that is Talu. Talu means, I think I don't know the meaning of Talu, just they named me Talu. That is, that is being called to me only by the people in village area. Yes.
Talu is your nickname?
Talu is my, village, like in my village people call me. That is not my real name, Talu. Only in village. You can consider like yes. Excuse, you can consider. Bahana name you can consider. Yes, just they call me.
Nickname?
Yes.
Actually, I want to say Talu is your nickname, right?
Yes, nickname.
Nickname.
Yes. And that is my good name, Like means that name is famous. Jadu is famous everywhere. Yes, but Talu no one knows. Mostly people don't know. Talu, that his name is also Talu, like that. That's the reason, yes.
You are vegetarian?
What did you say?
You are vegetarian?
Yes, I am vegetarian, you can consider. Yes, I don't eat meat mostly. And do you like meat?
I like, but not so.
I don't like mostly, but whenever I want, I eat. I don't eat mostly. I eat only, I am vegetarian. I like to eat, spinach, that all you can consider. Tomato, potato, I don't like meat mostly. Yes.
Exercise regularly, Jadu?
Yes, I made my timetable. Yes, I made my timetable, to do that, and for study also. That's why in the early morning I have to get up. I will get up like at 3 a.m. in the early morning. Sometime, in case of need, I will get up at, at 2 p.m. in the early morning, you can consider, because I have to do lots of work in the evening, and during the day I don't get time. So that's why at night I get up, in the early morning. So that's the reason that during the day I don't get time study and talking with people, learning new things, social media, like that. So that's why mostly I spend my time to study and learn something in the early morning, and for doing exercise also I have time. Yes.
Yes, exercise is good for our health.
Yes, you are right. Yes. So
okay,
I think video is getting long, I think, right?
Okay, nice to meeting, Jadu.
Yes, nice to meet you, ma'am. And again, we will talk when we will get free time, because time is very important for us to get, for anything, suppose for talking, for spending with anyone. So time is very valuable, you can consider. That's why whenever you will get time, so you can call me, no problem. Whenever I will get free time, and that if you will be free that time, so then we will connect again. Yes. Okay.
See you soon.
Okay.
Jadu, bye.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.